Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be trying out a new weird looking hair curler. Hey. I got this for a very long time already. I think it was last year. I don't know, is it end of last year or I've forgotten when, but I got this hair color for quite some time already. I didn't manage to get the chance to try this out because I just have other things to do. I just don't know, just never ended up trying this out. I think this was 160 ringgit. I've forgotten where I got it from. I just saw it from Facebook. One day I just saw it from Facebook and I thought it was pretty cool. The way they curl their hair, it's like quite interesting. Like you don't even need to go and section your hair. It looks like a really easy product. I bought this even before I got the Philips, what do you call that? The very easy curler that I'll link a review on top somewhere here. I tried that one out. That's like one of my favorite curlers lah. For a noob curler who don't know how to curl the hair, who don't like to use ironing tongs, the traditional ironing tongs to curl the hair, that is actually a really good curler for someone like me. I'll be trying this out. This is called the Vivid and Vogue. I think if you search in Shopee and if you search in like Facebook or anywhere else or even Lazada, I think they are still available everywhere, and I think some places actually sell for like very cheap, like 90 ringgit if I'm not mistaken. You guys can go and check it out, I'm not sure. That was like back then lah. That was probably like many months ago. I don't even know how much it is now. So this one, it says that it's like magic hands for curling because apparently you really don't need to section your hair yourself. Ionic ceramic, okay. Automatic hair curler. Fast heating up in 50 seconds, that's great. Advanced constant temperature technology. But I think they only have one temperature setting. There's no like 2 or 3 temperature setting. Yeah, I'm a bit skeptical about this because when it comes to like beauty gadgets, I'm very scared with brands that I'm not familiar with, specifically like if I like Philips, Panasonic. Yeah, that one I know the brand, and it's a big brand. And Dyson, speaking about Dyson, I'm planning to get the new Dyson Airwrap, waiting for it to be available in Malaysia first, then after that I'll go and get it. I will definitely do a review on that live. I'm super excited for that because I've been looking for something that can actually help me to dry my hair while I style my hair, because like I want to exercise and then after that I got an event, but I don't like the idea of like me needing to wash my hair and then me needing to like dry my hair with a hair dryer and then go into my like hair curler, hair thongs or stuff like that. I just cannot. That feels like it takes too much of my time. And also, I mean, that makeup is taking so much of my time already. You really take like the my hair, and I mean that's what normally people do. But I'm not that great in that. When it comes to like anything beauty, I just want something that's quick, that's easy, as fast. So I heard that one is pretty good, but there are some like not so good reviews. But I don't know. I feel like Dyson is a brand that I trust. I love their vacuum cleaners. I have one on my own and it's like one of the best things ever because I have a lot of hair that drops everywhere in my room. Cordless is so easy. I can just vacuum whenever I want, vacuum my face. It's just so easy and powerful. I love their vacuum cleaners. So I'm definitely gonna get their hair wrap. Like, oh yeah, air wrap. Sorry, Dyson air wrap. That aside, that will be for another video. Stay tuned for that. Today, diverted the topic already. Yeah, it is called Vivid and Vogue. It's a magic hair color. Apparently, this is from Wilmington DE, basically made in China. I don't know. The address looks like it's from some kind of very fancy English country, but actually it's not. It's made in China. Okay, so yeah, if I can try to find out where I bought this and how much I bought this, I'll let you guys know in the description box below or in my blog post below. But other than that, let's open this up. I have not even opened this up. I've not even tried this out yet. I love the box. I love it. Pink, very simple. It's just like this. It's very simple. The box is nothing fancy. The person that's selling it to me was really nice as well. Didn't give me any discount though. But yeah, it's just wrapped like this. Oh my gosh, it's like so flimsy. It's like it's not boxed properly. It feels like someone has used this before, because usually if it's something new, there's like a plastic cover here. So I don't know if this is being used already or not. Okay, never mind. I don't think I'll keep this once I try this out because I'm really planning to buy the Dyson one, so I don't need too many hair colors. One heat setting, one temperature setting, and then the buttons on top here. It's for whether you want it to curl left or curl right. Turn off and then turn on. Oh, so this is the button that turns to the left. This one turns to the right. This is just how the whole thing looks like. It's sturdy, but yeah, it does feel very plasticky. Like something for child use, or I don't know. I mean, obviously the child one, you cannot let them use hot stuff lah. Plus this one is not really protected, so I'm afraid that if I touch this one, this tongue area is gonna be super hot. Some kind of instructions. Oh, you still kind of need to section your hair actually, like this. It's the same thing like the Philips curler. It reminds me a lot of the Philips curler lah, but the construction of it, the design of it is very different, and I don't think it's gonna be as good as that. I have my trusty Philips ionizing hair or ionic hair brush. Okay, so there's no specific lighting to tell you, okay, red means it's not ready to use yet, the tool is not hot enough. Then yellow or green means it's ready to be used, like how the other good products actually work. So this one is just like, it's white, it's on, but I can't tell you if it's ready or not. You have to touch the thong yourself. Okay, me just being biased right now. Do I do the usual sectioning of the hair? Usually I try not to because I feel like, oh my gosh, that's a lot of like hair drop. Usually I don't section my hair even when I use like my curler, the Philips curler. I'm too lazy to section my hair. I'm not one of those that will section my hair. For this video purposes, we will just section the hair, okay? Oh, it can feel like it's hot already. The Philips one, it's very, very protected. Like even if I touch the top part of the Philips one, I don't feel that it's too hot. So it's actually quite okay to the touch. But this one is quite dangerous because the whole wand is so long. Like you might still burn your face and burn your hands, and there's no glove or nothing that is provided. So, oh my gosh, that thing just had to start now, that sound. I'm sorry for that sound. We're just gonna go in and try it. Do I put it in front or back? Oh. Okay. So do we, oh my gosh, okay, that's not, oh my gosh, painful. Pain. Maybe too much of hair. Let's try lesser hair and see. Yeah, lesser hair works better, but they asked me to put it from the center. It's not curling that well. Okay, so do I stop or do I just continue curling? I think I'll just continue curling. So when do I know that it's ready? Like the Philips one will tell you 10 seconds or 9 seconds, it's already ready. So the sound itself, you will know. Oh, okay. It's actually quite nice, the curls. I don't know if you can tell. Like this. Okay lah, it's quite nice. The curl quite soft, quite bouncy looking. Not too bad, but I think you just need to get a hang of this product. Like a hang of how to use this product. And you cannot use too big of a section. I thought that at least with this long thong, I can actually use more hair, or I can actually put on more hair as compared to some other hair colors, but apparently not. That's nice. That's actually not too bad. It's actually quite nice because it's a little bit messy right now, but we'll comb it out later. So I'm gonna do the rest of my hair, and you guys will listen to some beautiful music. Cue music. Let's try with a bigger hair. Actually, it's okay also, even with a bigger hair, like parting. Now I'm confused. Should I even get this hair? I scared it will go inside. Ah! Let me keep the hair that has already been done. Let's try the center. See, it doesn't want to curl properly with big chunks of hair. Okay, let's do this again. Less hair right now. Oh no! Why is it not going in? Oh my gosh, ridiculous. Okay, let's do like lesser hair. Oh my... Ah! Oh my gosh, okay. Okay, stop. Am I not giving this thing a chance? It doesn't want to listen to me. What's going on? It's curling, and then it just leave the hair outside. Jeez, okay. Let's do this again. See? What's going on? Am I doing this correctly? Is it supposed to be straight? No. Oh my gosh, am I doing this wrongly? Please tell me if I'm doing this wrongly. Then am I supposed to pull it down? It's not taking the freaking hair! Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. All these YouTube ads, right, all lying to me, are all fake. Oh, why is this so hard? It doesn't want to take this hair. Ah! Okay, let's try this again. Straight. Okay, much better. Okay, maybe you just need to not move after you. Oh my gosh, it's taking all the other hairs in. Okay, done. Oh no. Okay, let's do this again. Straight. and curl. Don't move. Don't take my other hair in. It's going to take my other hair in. Okay, get out. No, no, no. So, oh my gosh, that hair is like completely burned already. It went through the curler so many times. Yeah, you gotta like stay there, don't move. Like, you see, but I feel like ah! Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. While I'm rushing for time, some of this is not helping. Okay, let's do this again. Oh my freaking goodness! Okay, okay. I stay there, Eddie, okay? I stay there, Eddie, okay? Don't move. So you see, the thing is the curls are not tight. Like, it will not tighten up the hair, even though as much as I turn so many times, it doesn't tighten up the hair. Like, compared to the Philips one, when you turn it, it will actually tighten up the hair, so it makes it like even easier to curl your hair and makes the heat distribution more evenly. Like, you see, this one, like, some parts are really nicely curled, some parts are not. It's take it in, take my hair in, you tool. It creates like a very nice soft curl lah, but it's not easy to use lah. It's not easy to use at all. It's not easy to use. Properly section the hair and do this one more time. I don't know how to make sure that the hair will all stick in. See? It's like it curls and then it's stuck outside. It's ridiculous. Can you please like stay inside, my love? Okay, okay, there you go. There you go. Finally. I'm gonna curl this way, like this. Okay. I don't know how long to leave it there, seriously. Okay, oh that's nice. That's quite nice. Maybe it's easier to do it this side. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Like this side is easier to curl. I don't know why. Maybe it's like straighter for me. Like this side, maybe I hold it in a specific angle that makes it not being able to use. You need to hold it on in like a almost 90 degrees kind of angle. Okay, you see now it's not working already. It's doing that weird thing, clumping up in one space. Okay, okay, curl, curl everything, curl everything. I think my Philips hair curler can do much better. Like it can do this, but faster and without too much of issues. Okay, let's move on to the next. Me just being biased. I mean, it's not a bad curler. It's actually an okay curler if you want something cheap and easy to curl your hair and something similar to like the Philips hair curler one. Yeah, I have some hairs. I have like one strand of hair that's being stuck there. Should I just pull it out? Nope. Thankfully, I'm not that type of person where the curls have to be like super equal, super same, no OCD. I don't really have OCD, so I'm actually quite okay with like the curls being like not equal, not symmetrical. That's the word I'm looking for. Oh my gosh, it's like yeah, now it's tightening my hair. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on, but sometimes it likes to keep it loose and sometimes it chooses to like tighten my hair for some reason. Yeah, so thankfully I don't really have the OCD. I think this will definitely piss some people off, especially the ones who really wants the curl to be like super defined, super symmetrical, super nice and super prim and proper kind of hair curls. This is definitely not the curler for you, okay? Because it doesn't look like it wants to be prim and proper. Not that type lah, for sure. If you don't know how to use the traditional hair curling tongs like me, like noob one, this one is an okay hair curler that still can get passed by, but you cannot get his very, very symmetrical, neat looking hair curls lah, okay? Stop. Ah! Curl, you biatch! This is crazy. Can you see this? It's ridiculous. Like it does. Like half of it wants to curl, half of it. See, you see what I mean? Like some of it is curled, some of it is not, because some of it is not sucked into it. You have one job just to curl my hair, and you can't. Oh. See now, I don't know how long it has been, but it has been 10 seconds already. Whoa, oh, that has been... Oh my gosh, it has burned my hair for so long already. Shit, that has been in there for too long. it is a little bit of a wild card lah with this. If you're not the fussy kind and you just want something that's easy and you're like a noob when it comes to hair curling, you don't know how to use a traditional hair thong, then yes, this would be an okay tool for you to use as like a hair curler. I mean, it does work, it does curl your hair. It's just that you can't get that like super structured hair curl that you want. If you're an OCD person, like you want your hair to look a specific way, it's gonna be very hard for you to achieve that with this Vivid and Vogue hair tool. But if you're more of the type that, yeah, I don't really care, I don't really mind, I'm quite chin chai, and if you're like on a budget or something like that, then yeah, you can actually get this. But other than that, if you want something better, there's alternative to this. Proper temperature settings, they have rotation settings where you can actually alternate in between, or they have like a timer, specifically timer, like a huge, because after using that Philips one, right, timer is so important for me because I don't know, sometimes I can just like be thinking something else and then I forgot about my hair and then I just left my hair there for too long. But timer can actually tells you, like it will remind you that, oh, it's time's up, you should release your hair before you damage your hair. Like this one, it doesn't have a timer, so dangerous lah. It's a little bit dangerous lah. Like you might just burn, like just now I kind of almost burned my hair, one part of my hair here. It did came out like damn lot of smoke. I left it there for too long already. It is actually quite easy to use as compared to a traditional hair curler. It is definitely very, very much easy to use, and my hands don't feel tired. Used to be, if I use a traditional hair curler, I need to like do up like this, do up like that, many pattern lah. But this one is quite easy. It's downwards. You don't need to lift your hands up and stuff like that. Your hands are less tired lah after using this. I don't feel tired at all after using this. Oh, it does move also. So it's basically the whole thing actually rotates together. So it's not just the pink thing. This white thing is also rotating. Another thing is, it's not super extremely hot. I was expecting it to be like super scary hot, but on top here is quite okay. It's still bearable. I just don't dare to touch the center part. Yeah. And I like the fact that bottom is like rotated down there, even though you don't really have to rotate too much of your arms. And okay curler is just that if you have a little bit of money, please do buy the Philips one because there's like temperature control, like real temperature control. So it's more flexible if let's say you want like a looser curls or if you want like a tighter curl. So you can know how long you should leave it on and also how high the heat should be. Sometimes some people don't want their hair to touch a thong that is like over 200 degrees and stuff like that. Yeah, it's just so much more flexible. You'll be able to do more with the Philips one. But if you're really just looking for something that can just curl your hair, you're not super fussy, you don't need to be super precise and stuff like that, this one will do lah. I guess it will kind of do the trick lah. It's just that there are some faults that I can actually find with it. And that's just my opinion because I've tried something better. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helps, and also stay tuned for the new hair Dyson Air. I'm not sponsored, okay, by Dyson. I'm gonna buy the Dyson Air myself and I'm gonna try it out myself because I just really hope that can really help me out when it comes to drying my hair and also styling my hair at the same time. I've been looking for something like that. Alright, I'm gonna leave it as it is. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!